Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a lay your frontal or your frontal wig or your lace frontal wig professionally and all that good stuff. So this is what you get in the bag. This wig is from Myfirswig. I love this hair company because their wigs are flawless. You literally just have to pop it on your head and go, and you know I love to say that when it comes to wigs, you just know. So I'm using this got to be just to lay down, well, not even lay down because these edges are not laying down for no one, but I'm just brushing my hair back. So hopefully it will just neaten up my like my hairline and stuff, which it didn't, but do you know what, it is what it is. So at first I used a wig cap, but wig caps are not for everyone, and I realised, so I took the wig cap off anyways. So this is the hair when it's fresh out the bag, fresh on my head, no pluck into it, no nothing. As you can see, the hairline is beautiful. I must say also it's a 6-inch parting space. So most wigs usually have 4-inch. This is 6-inch. So anyways, back to what's important. I'm using the black got to be first. I realised that sometimes this helps with the so it doesn't really kind of like have like a white kind of like, do you know when you dry it and it dries white and all that stuff, it's not cute. So if you put the black one on first and then the white one, sometimes I find that it does help with all that kind of like the glue, sorry, the gel drying like white and stuff like that. So I'm doing half of my head first because I just don't like doing all my head. I feel weird when I do that. So I'm using the spray also on top of that when you've just semi-dried it kind of thing. And then I dry it a bit just for it to get a bit tacky, and then I just literally just place it onto my head like so. So now, if you are lazy like me, you could leave the wig like this. Well, as in, you don't really need to do any plucking to it or anything like that. Obviously, if you wanted a parting, you would put the parting in. But I wanted to see how, just to see like how nicely it would look if I plucked it just a little bit more, just a tad, guys. So as you can see here, I'm just plucking the front a bit more, holding it down also so it doesn't lift up. I'm just plucking it, plucking it, plucking it. This was literally like a 5-minute pluck job. Like I wasn't gonna go in plucking it. I ain't got time for that, I'm sorry. So yeah, right now I'm just parting the parting the parting. Do you know how dumb that sounds? But it is though, isn't it? It's parting. I'm parting the hairline. Okay, the hairline. That sounds better. So I'm just using some mousse on here, and as you can see, the hairline is beautiful. It's so oh, I just love it. And now I'm just using a hot comb, and I'm just literally, because I want it kind of flat but not flat. Does that make sense, guys? So yeah, just using the hot comb, and I find this lays just lays it down perfectly. Oh, I did go in just a tad bit more because I was a bit extra, just a tad bit more on the hairline, just a little bit. But as you can see, guys, look at it, it's beautiful. So I'm now using the got to be hairspray and just flattening some flyaways and stuff like that. And then I'm just going in with my straighteners, not too much because I hate straightening my hair. I'm not gonna lie, guys, I'm lazy. And obviously, guys, if you know me, you know I love my ear outs, just chilling there with when it comes to side parts. So I'm going in with some powder now just to blend everything in more flawlessly. So I thought, you know what, let me just lay just a tiny bit of baby hairs. It's not everyday baby hairs, guys, but I thought I'd just let neaten up the hairline kind of thing. So this is the finished look. As you can see, it looked like, what lace? I've always wanted to say that. What lace? That lace, sis, that lace. No, I'm joking. But yeah, no, honestly, guys, the hair is beautiful, the wig is beautiful, so check them out. Thank you, Myfirswig, for sending me this hair, and thanks, guys, for watching. Bye.